Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make sure the phone isn't in airplane mode, which blocks all Wi-Fi and cellular network connections. Restart the App Store app. The bug in downloading the app may have to do with the App Store app. Quitting the App Store app may clear the bug.
Let's help you make your mark.
One of the main reasons as to why you won't be able to download new apps or install new app updates is insufficient storage space. If memory is not the problem, then you can go ahead and rule out other factors that might have prevented your iPhone from updating or downloading new apps after the iOS 13 update.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.